Hey, here's my second review. I've unplugged it. It is unplugged. And if you listen, the timer is still going. And that's the one thing I really don't like is you have to turn the timer past 10 or whatever, and then you can't readjust it for 5 minutes, you know, when you're just reheating stuff like onion rings or chicken nuggets. Of course, I'm standing here watching it, but it's unplugged and the timer is still going. I'm probably going to return this one.
In love with our Black & Decker. I mean, you can do a lot of things with it. As you can see, you have a lot of options in here. The material is so great, and you can do a lot of things there. I mean, you can cook pizza, sandwiches, French fries, and so much.
Glasses